ये मेरा BR 650 है, Interceptor BR 650. As you can see that I have opened all the panels here, correct? So my aim is to install a Maddox Scoutex fog lamp, right? So it's a very easy, and there is no hiccups to install. So what you have to do first, you have to remove the headlight, because all the bearings are inside the headlight. You need to identify the ignition wire. This is the ignition wire, right? And you have one white wire comes with the Maddox. You can attach here with the combination of red and white wire. Now close it. Now what you do, open the tank. It's already opened. I can show you. It's already open. Here is my Maddox. Now this is the relay. I have fixed it here because it was very small space for battery section. So it's very tough to get it out from the console and to fix up the bearings, right? So let me show you. So this is the white red wire. It comes here and attached here, and the black wire in the negative point. But to open this one, remove the battery, you need to open this screw. It's an Allen key screw. You need to open the entire panel like this. It's all attached here. So you have to open everything from here, right? So after connecting these two wire here, place it under the tank. Fixed one Maddox light here. I have not fixed the clamp here, so clamp is pending, and Amazon is supposed to deliver today evening. So once I get the clamp from Amazon, I will fix it with the light. The switch is Maddox switch, and the complete bearings are here. So I have to take care of these loose wires. So let me complete this thing, then we'll take care of the bearings, correct? So keep it in your mind, before you installing the thing, just keep it in your mind that you need to open the everything here, because your wiring will comes under the tank. It's a hot chamber here, so you cannot fix your wire from there here, because if you runs for in the summer season for 30-40 kilometers, it will just blow up your wires, right? So now I have a plan. First of all, I have ordered the clamp for this leg guard, but later on I have a plan to fix my fog lamps here. So we'll check first that how it looks like from here, then we will move it to here. So now I have to take care of all the loose wires here. So once it is done, let me show you how it looks like. This is the switch, on off. Start your bike, then just the one light. I will attach another light. It's very good. So once it is all completed, I will show you again that how it looks like, and I will give you some comments on the performance of Scoutex. Thank you.